Best Air Duct Cleaning Equipment. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore the best air duct cleaning equipment available on the market. Whether you're looking to maintain your dryer vents, chimneys, or air conditioning ducts, having the right tools is essential for ensuring your home remains safe and efficient. We'll be showcasing a variety of products, including the versatile SKYSHALO cleaning brushes and the reliable Dryvenck kits, highlighting their unique features and benefits. So, if you want to keep your home hazard-free and improve airflow, stick around as we dive into the top air duct cleaning solutions. SKYSHALO 50 Feet Dryer Vent Duct Cleaning Brush. This pipe cleaning brush is designed for efficient cleaning, featuring high-density bristles that penetrate deep into pipes, removing debris and blockages quickly. Its threaded connection allows for easy assembly, whether used by hand or attached to a drill for added convenience. The durable nylon construction ensures the brush can withstand wear and bend up to 90 degrees, making it perfect for cleaning pipes with multiple bends. Extendable up to 50 feet, it can reach distant or deep pipe sections, enhancing cleaning efficiency. With applications including dryer vents, air conditioning ducts, chimneys, and roof vents, regular use of this brush helps prevent fire hazards and improves household safety. SKYSHALO 50-Foot Dryer Vent Cleaning Set. The SKYSHALO pipe cleaning brush is designed for efficient and thorough pipe maintenance. Its high-density bristles effectively remove debris and blockages, ensuring smooth pipe flow. With a simple threaded connection, it assembles easily for use as a standalone tool or with a drill for added convenience. Constructed from durable high-strength nylon, the brush and pole withstand bending up to 90 degrees, making it ideal for navigating pipe bends. Extendable up to 50 feet, it reaches deep or distant pipes, such as those in basements or attics. Suitable for various uses, dryer vents, air conditioning ducts, chimneys, and more. This brush provides regular maintenance that helps prevent fire hazards, promoting household safety. SKYSHALO 30-Foot Dryer Vent Cleaning Set. The SKYSHALO pipe cleaning brush offers an effective solution for maintaining clean pipes with its high-density bristles that efficiently remove debris and blockages. Designed for easy assembly, the threaded connection allows for quick setup, either as a standalone tool or attached to a drill for added versatility. Its durable nylon construction provides exceptional wear resistance, even when bent up to 90 degrees, making it ideal for cleaning curved pipes. The brush can extend up to 30 feet, enabling it to reach deep or distant sections, such as in roofs or basements. Suitable for various applications like dryer vents, chimneys, and air ducts, this tool helps prevent fire hazards and ensures household safety through regular cleaning. Hvxrjkn Chimney Sweep Kit 12 PCS Duct Vent Cleaning Set. The 12 PCS Chimney Sweep Kit offers a comprehensive solution for cleaning chimneys and dryer ducts. It includes 10 flexible nylon rods, a brush head, and a hexagonal rod, with each rod measuring 41 centimeters for easy assembly and disassembly. The brush can be used with an electric drill, providing powerful rotational force to remove stubborn deposits and prevent chimney blockages and fires. Made from high-quality, heat-resistant nylon, the brush head ensures effective cleaning without scratching the chimney surface. The flexible rods bend easily to navigate flue bends, allowing for deep cleaning. This versatile kit is suitable for cleaning chimneys, dryer vents, sewage ducts, and more, making it an essential tool for maintaining a safe, clog-free home. Dryvenck 20 Feet Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. The Dryvenck 20 feet dryer vent cleaner brush offers an affordable and effective solution for cleaning dryer vents, helping to prevent fire hazards. It includes 16 durable, flexible rods that can extend up to 20 feet, and a high-quality synthetic brush head. This kit is designed for easy use, either with or without a power drill, making vent cleaning accessible for homeowners. By using this cleaning tool, you can avoid costly professional services, which typically charge around $150. Regular vent cleaning is crucial in reducing the risk of dryer vent fires, which accounted for 16,800 incidents last year. Keep your family safe by maintaining a clean dryer vent system with this user-friendly kit. Dryvenck Dryer Vent Brush Cleaner 30 feet. The Dryvenck 30 feet dryer vent cleaner brush is designed to help prevent fire risks by efficiently cleaning dryer vents. It includes 23 durable, flexible rods that can extend up to 30 feet, along with a high-quality synthetic brush head. The kit can be used with or without a power drill, making it convenient for homeowners to clean their dryer ducts with ease. Regular cleaning can help prevent dryer vent fires, which accounted for 16,800 incidents last year. This tool offers a cost-effective alternative to professional cleaning services, which typically charge $150 per session. Keep your dryer vent system clean and protect your family from potential fire hazards with this easy-to-use cleaning kit. Nyidpsz 22's Chimney Sweep Kit, 24.2 feet. This chimney sweep kit includes 18 flexible nylon rods, 2 brush heads, a drill connector, and a long brush, making it an ideal solution for cleaning chimneys and dryer ducts. The 41 centimeters rods are easy to assemble and disassemble, and when used with a drill, the powerful bristles effectively remove stubborn deposits, preventing chimney clogs and fire hazards. The durable nylon brush heads resist high temperatures, aging, and corrosion, while ensuring no damage to the inner chimney surface. With its flexible rods, the kit easily navigates bins for thorough cleaning. Suitable for various applications, including pipes, chimneys, dryer vents, and ducts, this versatile tool is essential for maintaining a safe and efficient home. SKYSHALO 40-foot dryer vent duct cleaning brush. This pipe cleaning brush is designed for efficient cleaning, equipped with high-density bristles that penetrate deep to remove debris and blockages, ensuring a clear flow. The brush uses a threaded connection for easy assembly and can be attached to a drill for enhanced convenience. Made of high-strength nylon, the brush head and pole are highly durable, bendable up to 90 degrees, and ideal for cleaning curved pipe sections. Extendable up to 40 feet, it includes 3 brush heads, 65 mm, 105 mm, 150 mm, for versatile use. Suitable for dryer vents, air conditioning ducts, chimneys, and roof vents, regular use helps prevent fire hazards, ensuring the safety of your home and family. SKYSHALO 40 feet dryer vent duct cleaning brush. This pipe cleaning brush features high-density bristles for thorough cleaning of pipe walls, removing debris and blockages to ensure clear flow. Its threaded connection makes assembly easy, with the option to use it with or without a drill for added efficiency. Made from durable, high-strength nylon, the brush and pole can bend up to 90 degrees, allowing for comprehensive cleaning of pipes with multiple bends. Extendable up to 40 feet, it's perfect for reaching deep or distant sections in roofs, basements, and attics. Ideal for cleaning dryer vents, air ducts, chimneys, and roof vents, regular use helps prevent fire hazards and promotes home safety. Hvxrjkn Chimney Brush Dryer Duct Brush. This dryer vent cleaning brush and chimney lint remover is designed for effective cleaning of dryer ducts, chimney pipes, and other ventilation systems. Made from high-quality, durable nylon materials, The bristle head efficiently removes lint, debris, and blockages, ensuring smooth airflow and reducing the risk of clogs and fire hazards. Its versatile design makes it suitable for cleaning various pipes and ducts, improving overall system performance and safety. This practical tool offers a reliable and long-lasting solution for maintaining cleanliness and proper functioning of your home's ventilation systems. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has helped you find the right air duct cleaning equipment to keep your home safe and efficient. Regular maintenance of your dryer vents and ducts is crucial in preventing fire hazards and enhancing airflow. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home maintenance tips and product reviews. Have any questions or experiences with these cleaning tools? Share them in the comments below. Until next time, stay safe and keep your home clean.